Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn NetBeans Java programming step by step. First, you will need to set up your development environment. This involves downloading and installing the Java Development Kit, or JDK, which is essential for running Java applications. Then, install the NetBeans Integrated Development Environment itself, ensuring it is compatible with your JDK version. Finally, launch NetBeans and create your very first Java project, selecting the Java Application option to begin your coding journey. Now that your environment is set up, let's explore the NetBeans interface. The project's window on the left helps you navigate through your files and folders. The central source editor is where you will spend most of your time writing and modifying Java code. Below, the output window displays messages and results when you run your programs. Understanding these key areas is crucial for efficient development within the IDE. It is time to write your very first Java program. Within your newly created project, make a new Java class and give it a meaningful name. Inside this class, you will write a simple Hello World program using the system out println command. After writing your code, compile and run the program, you should see the phrase Hello World appear in the output window, confirming your program works. As you progress, debugging becomes essential. Learn to set breakpoints in your code and use the NetBeans debugger to step through your program line by line, helping you find and fix errors. Leverage features like code completion and refactoring to write code more efficiently. The key to mastery is consistent practice. Build small projects, experiment with different concepts, and gradually tackle more complex challenges to enhance your skills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.